So before we move any forward, I just want to make a very important announcement. Before the listing happens, at that moment, I'm sure everybody will be super excited, so you might miss out this information. So I just would like to request all of you that we have our friends from media who are covering the event. So when the listing happens, please stay seated so that you don't cover up the camera. Thank you so much. Let's begin. So today we have gathered here on this momentous occasion for the listing ceremony of Nureka Limited on the historic BSE, which is Asia's oldest and world's one of the largest stock exchange. Nureka Limited is a B2C company engaged in the business of home health care and wellness products, which offer quality, durability, functionality, usability, and innovative designs. They enable their customers with tools to help them monitor chronic ailments and other diseases to improve their lifestyle. Company believes in innovation and catering new products to the ever-growing needs of the home healthcare sector. They are a digital-first company wherein they sell their products through online channel partners such as e-commerce players, distributors, and retailers. Further, Nureka also sells their product through their online website, which is drtrust.in. Nureka have most of the product lines supporting home health market in India, making it the one-stop solution provider. Dr. Trust is known for its innovative products in the market and with the segment showing significant potential for growth. To begin, we would like to welcome our host for the day, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited, formerly known as the Bombay Stock Exchange, which is one of the world's largest stock exchange and also the oldest stock exchange in Asia. We have with us today the leadership team from Nureka Limited who are stalwarts in their respective fields, who will be telling us more about the company and its achievement. We welcome them with a bouquet, so please welcome them with a round of applause. Mr. Saurabh Goyal, Chairman and Managing Director, Nureka Limited. Thank you, sir. And Mr. Aryan Goyal, Chief Executive Officer, Nureka Limited. Let the claps go a little louder. Yes, that's even better. Welcome, sir. And can we have Mr. Chauhan? And now to begin this listing on an auspicious note, we have the lighting of the lamp. May I request the entire management of Nureka Limited and the ladies from the Goyal family to kindly come forward and join us. And also Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited, to join us. Let's welcome all with a round of applause, please. Let's have a picture together. Keep the claps on, keep the positivity going. Yeah. So I'd like to thank all our dignitaries for lending their hand to begin this event on an auspicious note. And moving forward, let me invite Mr. Saurabh Goel, Chairman and Managing Director, Nureka Limited, to kindly come forward and share a few words on this auspicious occasion.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming here to share this momentous occasion for Nureka. A big thank you to BSE for these wonderful arrangements. So we started this journey with a passion to make a difference to the lives and health of everyone around us, to make prevention the goal rather than the cure. In today's digital age, Nureka has come a long way in a relatively short period of time. I cannot be more thankful to all our team members at Nureka who continue to work tirelessly to make possible everything that we achieve. I know how hard they have worked and unselfishly and together to get results every time. I am honored to be part of such a fantastic team. Let's keep on our efforts and build a healthier future. We are extremely delighted and humbled by the incredible response to our IPO, and I would like to thank all the shareholders. We are also extremely grateful to the teams at BSR, ITI, Crawford and Bailey, Adfactors, and LinkTime. 2020 has been an unprecedented year, but what this pandemic has made clear is that real heroes truly wear their mask below their eyes. Thank you to all the doctors, nurses, and healthcare heroes for your compassion and service. As we move into a new health and wellness-aware future, we at Nureka see infinite possibilities ahead. We intend to move forward together to achieve greater health equity and progress in our great country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Saurabh Goel, for joining us on stage and for that lovely speech. And moving forward, may I now like to invite Mr. Aryan Goel, CEO, Nureka Limited, to kindly come forward and share a few words. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a historic day it is for our company. We are only 4 years old and listing today on the leading stock exchanges of India. Really a dream come true for any entrepreneur. We started Nureka in 2016 with a mission to bring world-class medical devices in India. The evolution of e-commerce over the last 5 years in India helped us break the shackles of traditional distribution channels and evolve Nureka to be a pan-India player shipping products to 20,000 pin codes. Our vision is to be a tech platform of choice, providing one-stop solution for all healthcare needs and products. With rising awareness of health, we see Indian market evolving to be focused on preventive healthcare rather than curative healthcare it currently is. As we continue to build Nureka, we focus on our values that has helped us achieve rapid growth over the last few years. For us, it is always customer first, and we will be doing everything to solve their needs. We will focus on adapting to latest technology, always ensuring highest quality of products, and we build the company with higher standards of corporate governance. I would like to take some time to say thanks to a few people without whose support this IPO would have not been possible. I would like to start off by thanking my family for their continuous motivation and guidance throughout the journey. Thank you, ITI Capital, our solicitors, Crawford and Bailey, our statutory auditors, BSR, Adfactors. Thank you, BSE, for organizing and hosting this ceremony. Thank you to all shareholders for overwhelming IPO subscription numbers and putting tremendous faith in us. Looking back, it has been a journey of blood, sweat, and tears. But in the end, building Nureka has been immensely satisfying experience for us and pure joy. As we look in the future, we will strive to generate extraordinary returns for all our shareholders. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, Mr. Aryan Goel, for that lovely speech and sharing all the positivity with all of us. And moving forward, I would now like to invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited, to kindly share a few words with us. Thank you.
Shri Saurabh Goel, Chairman and Managing Director, Nureka. Shri Aryan Goel, Chief Executive Officer, Nureka. A good morning to everyone present here at the BSc International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listing of Nureka, a home healthcare and wellness products company which owns the Dr. Trust brand. A very warm welcome to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, equities, currencies, commodities, interest rate derivatives, distribution of mutual funds, insurance, stock lending, borrowing, and many other things. It has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its 6.2 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company moving forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,700 companies listed on BSE platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on the BSE, Nureka will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. Book build public issue of 25 lakh 175 equity shares were offered by Nureka of rupees 10 each at the price band of rupees 396 to rupees 400, aggregating to rupees 100 crores. The issue was oversubscribed 40.36 times overall, retail category by 139.32 times, non-institutional category by 29.93 times, and QIB category by 3.06 times, making it a successful IPO. I congratulate the management of Nureka, merchant bankers, ITI Capital, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in that business. BSE looks forward to continuing the preferred fundraising partner for Nureka going forward. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship, and please accept my best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage and sharing all the valuable details. To commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. May I request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSE, to present special mementos to our esteemed dignitaries, starting with Mr. Saurabh Goel, Chairman and Managing Director, Nureka Limited. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. So may we request you to join us on the stage, please. Thank you, Mr. Saurabh, for joining us on stage. Ashish sir, I'll request you to present a memento to Mr. Aryan Goel, Chief Executive Officer, Nureka Limited. Thank you, Mr. Aryan, for joining us on stage. And thank you, Ashish sir. May I now request Mr. Saurabh Goel to present special mementos to some very special partners whose contribution have been invaluable in the successful listing of Nureka Limited. Please welcome Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, BSE Limited. Next, I'd like to invite, request you to stay back. Yeah. Next, I'd like to invite a representative from ITI Capital Limited, the book running manager to the Nureka Limited issue. Next, I'd like to invite a representative from the legal counsel, Crawford Bailey and Company. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Arun Ohri from Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Next, I'd like to invite a representative from the registrar to the issue, Link In Time India Private Limited. Next, I'd like to invite a representative from the auditors to the company, BSR and Company LLP. Next, I'd like to invite Ms. Ruchita Agrawal, Independent Director, Nureka Limited. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Saurabh Bora. Mr. Saurabh Bora is not available. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Let's give him a big hand, everyone. And now we have a small AV from BSE, so let's have a look at it.
The history of BSE is the history of India from a capital market perspective. Founded in 1875, BSE and the many men who founded the exchange took the torch forward and built it into the premier institution that it is today. The passing of the Companies Act 1850 paved the way for stock trading in India, but companies were few and people did not really have large investable funds for trading and stocks. Brokers were saints and there was no trading hall or stock exchange building, and whatever little trading that took place was carried out in the open under the banyan tree. The American Civil War changed everything. An acute global shortage of cotton forced the mills in Lancashire to source cotton from all over the world, including India. As cotton was exported in large quantities, its price soared. An unusual influx of wealth in the form of bullion amounting to 850 million rupees landed on the beckoning shores of Bombay. Prem Chand Roy Chand, who by virtue of being the first Indian broker to read and write English, found himself eminently suited to lead the equities market in Bombay to a new level. He floated or helped float several companies which sought equity investments. Men from all walks of life were participating in the share market. Shri Chunilal Motilal was the first president of BSE. He saw the exchange through its most embryonic phase. Shri Chapurji Paruja succeeded him and was responsible for setting up rules and regulations of the exchange. Shri K.R.P. Shroff rose from being a teacher to the presidentship of the BSE. Shri Feroz Jiji Bhoy played a stellar role in molding the Bombay Stock Exchange to its present status. He was instrumental in developing the Indian stock market in general and BSE in particular. It was to commemorate his contributions, first as secretary of BSE and later as its chairman, that the present stock exchange building was named after him.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. The very historic moment when Nureka Limited is going to be listed on the stock exchanges of India. So can I have the entire management team towards the gong, please? So please make sure you hit the gong as hard as you can, okay? So let the countdown begin. Everyone with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Congratulations, Nureka Limited is now officially listed on the stock exchanges, and it's been a milestone. We are grateful to our host, BSC, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members on the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all you viewers who took out the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again. Let's have a big round of applause. This is a very, very historic and special moment for the company, and let's make it even more special for them. Come on, everyone. And now, on behalf of the entire management of Nureka Limited and all of them who have been associated with the company's IPO, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the investors who have shown faith in the company by investing in the IPO. Also thank the bankers, the legal counsels for relentless work during the entire journey of the IPO and make this a successful journey for all of us. Like the famous saying, the journey has just begun. For Nureka Limited, a new journey has just begun. Let's have a few more good pictures together. Everyone, please come closer. Thank you, and thank you everyone for joining us today. And just a quick announcement, please make sure that you all join us for the breakfast. The refreshments have been arranged, so please have the breakfast before you go. Thank you all once again.